fundraiser na to, will they be given a fair share also? Yung mga differently abled athletes natin na pupunta sa Paralympics?
Yeah, precisely yung target natin, you know, we just got confirmation nga na, well, when you talk of Olympians, kasama yung para-athletes dyan, no? So, initially, ilan na bang Olympians natin na qualified? 15? 15 sa Olympics, ano lang yun? Able. Sa Olympics. Pero Paralympics natin, meron yata apat. But there are 2 more that will be officially announced, no? So, included lahat yan sila. Kung ilan man yan, ang may include dyan, and by the way, kasama rin dyan yung mga coaches nila. I think that was already dito, di ba? Na ano yun, na there's a percentage dyan. Again, we will firm that up in the meeting later, pero ang aking chismis lang dyan is 75-25. So until that is confirmed, so at least even yung mga coaches nila, these are all surprises. Kasi hindi nila alam eh. Di ba? This was just the brainchild of chairman. So, hindi pa alam ng mga atleta, pero syempre, kakalat na yan, o kumalat na yan sa iba. Kayo lahat, ichichismis nyo sa mga athletes yan. Basically, no, ang amin lang kasi ang concept niyan, Lito, is that, kasi ang nangyari lahat ng Olympians na bibigyan lang pag nananalo and all that. Sabi ni chairman, kawawa naman yung dapat how they will prepare as they go to the Olympics. At least meron silang extra food nila, extra expense sila sa mga panlakad. So yun ang actually kaya tayo gumawa ng ganito.